Hey there! Today I will show you how to transform your sketch drawing on the paper or tablet into the highly detailed 3D model mesh. To do this, we will use two powerful AI models, MistoLine and TripoSR. So, let's do it. Okay, let's start with MistoLine and its scientific basement. Here's a paper that describes the ControlNet idea. You can see it's called the additional conditional control to text to image diffusion model that use some kind of input canny age and to transform it to the different colorful images with different quality, high quality photorealistic images. And here you can find many details, but here the main part is this architecture. So you could find there is two big blocks like stable diffusion and ControlNet, and the idea base that is like an artist. This model tried to extract the main feature of the images, just to remember them and reproduce in the new image, like step by step, with saving the general shapes, but with adding the images. So you should imagine like experienced artist just remember or just imagine something in his mind and reproduce the image by his memory. The same idea was used by the developer of this neural network for the image generator. And let's move to the implementation. On the Python, if we download the code, the main part it's very user-friendly. The beginner is just to start with the prompts and negative prompt. You should, in the prompt, you should describe what you want to see, what color style, which like special feature of your sketch or line art would you would like to have, and also the negative prompt. It's just to avoid some low, bad quality, blurry, ugly images, just to avoid the misunderstanding between you and the model interaction. Next part is you should load the input image like this. For example, this like future car. Let's remember this. You just upload it, just define the models like for the ControlNet, as we said before, and then define the output and run this code. And as a result, you will have like this on the right. It's my new image, my futuristic future car with a lot of lights on the night city view that was created from this very nice sketch. So I will add my prompt that I used to have fun with different like with the also I have many like this sheep and also like old town. You can notice that the result a lot of details like a steam, the sky, the windows. It's like a Victorian style. So the image is really high quality, very detailed. It could be real photorealistic, cartoon style, whatever you want. The next, like having in your mind that the next great wonder that we would like to examine today, it's a TripoSR. It's a product that was developed by the collaboration between Stability AI and Tripo AI that created an amazing neural network that give you an opportunity to create a 3D model, the 3D mesh file based on the one single capture. From like imagine like you have a 2D image and you will have a 3D reconstruction only by one shot by using only one model. The idea based on the RLM network architecture, and let's move to check the paper. In this paper you could find a lot of details and examples how it works, but we should take into account that the main idea here is like the metrics. The TripoSR better than other reconstructive model. Like you have all the metrics is very high, so the model is very fast and efficient But the main idea based on the nerf reconstruction for the multiply view reconstruction, but the revolution of these guys is to use only one shot, like on these examples. And to use this model, you just need to upload the code here. And in this, they provide a lot of parameters. You could check it, like a device setting up the device, the resolution. If you need to more detailed image, you could increase this value, or for foreground ratio, if it's very important to have an accurate model, just to remove background with the high accuracy, and if it's work incorrectly, just to play with this parameter, increase or decrease it, and then set up the output folder. And that's all. Like the main files are saving in the TSR file. Here is like model, like here is the nerf model saved like here. You can check all the parameters, how it like by using the dot tensor, how it transforms from the one image one by one, creating different view reconstruction. And then to run your code, you could use the terminal command just to run it, like Python run file, then the input files, and by the command output dir, you define the output folder, and it's initialize the model and start transformation and generation your 3D files. And as a result, you will find them in the folder, like all the files will saved in the separate folder, like this, for example, from the paper example, hamburger, and let's check the 3D model. And it's amazing, looks like very nice, very detailed. Also, let's check something another, like maybe this building. Here, like the building is not so detailed, but the initial quality is like small details, maybe not so accurate, but generally it's the shape is even the background. It's trying to reduce some windows and so on, so it's really nice technology. And the really great thing that you could do, like this combination of these two technology, MistoLine and TripoSR, is just to create your own 3D model based on your own sketch. Just imagine here I prepare like a small sketch of the elephant by myself, just to show you the idea. And here I put like this result. Here is my elephant uploaded to the input folder of the MistoLine, and then after the just a simple prompt, I asked to create a photorealistic capture of the elephant, and you could see that it's like super detailed, really high realistic, and like completely based on my sketch. And then if you ask, like, define the prompt correctly and ask to have something like without background and more 3D look like elephant, like of course with some artifacts, but very small. And after applying TripoSR, we could have something really amazing. So we use like this input file, and we have this. So it's a completely full 3D reconstruction of the elephant, based only like full workflow was based only my sketch. So you could compare. So it's really nice. And it's open a great opportunities for the digital arts. So and artists could make their sketches alive, print on 3D printer, or add to the video game, and are just using some simple sketches and these technologies. You could create your own mesh file for any kind of application, and in my opinion, these two technologies revolutionize full sphere of digital arts, gaming and virtual reality sphere. So the horizons of using these technologies is amazing and it's super cool. So I recommend it to all of you just to try. It's very simple, very user friendly, just to check how it works and to play a little bit, just to visualize your own sketches, drawing, whatever you want. And if you found today's video valuable and would like to stay up to date with the latest in tech news, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts or question, and subscribe to the channel for more tech insight. Thank you for your attention. See you.